Hi guys, this is Lola, crafting on a budget. Yes, I got a little tip for keeping our scoreboard clean. And I'm guilty of this. I'm not accusing anybody, but we use our scoreboard until they get filthy dirty. So what you do, you can take a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, with some warm soapy water and a little bit of bleach and start scrubbing that baby. Look at this thing. This looks brand new. It gets all into the grooves. And after you clean it, just take a little paper towel and dry it. Just a little tip. I'm going to be coming to you with what I've been working on. I've been helping my son move into his brand new apartment, so I've been quite busy, but I've been making some stuff and decorating. Here's another 8x8 photo book I've been working on with the African prints. I ordered off Michael's, and it took about a month. These textiles came from France. Beautiful textiles and beautiful paper. But you do have to back it with something because it's thin. And I do have pockets. I have 5 signature and pockets where you can put stuff in. So this is just something I had designed. I use Velcro dots. The circle ones, I cut them in half and just attach them. I sure did. Pockets and flip pockets and all that other stuff, whatever you call this. But I enjoyed the process. So this is an album, and I got all kinds of stuff. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more to it, but you can put all kinds of pictures in it, guys. These are beautiful African textile prints that came. I ordered them off Michael's. They do not carry these in the store. You have to order them, and then they ship them to you. I think I'm going to put a back pocket on this one. But this portfolio this one's done. It's thick. It's got I think it's a 3-inch spine. Yeah, 3-inch spine. And 5 signatures. And lots of fun. So just want to share that. I am going to be doing a tutorial on the 12x12. I did create a 12x12. I have been working on the little 4x4s, and I got some 3x3s, little cuties. I've been looking at a lot of tutorials. Hold on. I am going to show, because I did finish one last night. Hold on. Wait a minute. I didn't finish this 4x4 last night. This was done. But it's done. And I finished this little 3x3 here. I've been working, guys. These are so cute. I finished a little 3x3. It's a man. I'm going to have to look at it. He uses his envelope punch board and makes punches. So you got pockets on top here. The pockets on top. Right there. And then you got pockets on the side. And this collection of papers, simple stories, simple vintage cottage feels, the 6x8, and I found this at Tuesday morning, guys. It was just one. It's the 6x8, so I used that on this. Isn't this so cute? I'm gonna add some tags to this, but this is your one sheet 12x12. You can do one sheet 12x12, and I decorated the front and the back. And I wanted to do ribbon, but I had forgotten before I did the paper. So I just did a little handle right there. It's exposed in the back, but it's still super cute. Here's another one I did. 12x12 paper pack. And you just fold a 12x12. Well, you score your 12x12, 3, 6, and 9, and then you flip it, score it again, 3, 6, and 9. All you got to do is look at them on YouTube, and that's where I got my ideas. So you got pockets. Here's a little pocket prayer. You can do whatever you want to, guys, with these. Look at that. The little flip out. The little notes. The little tags. I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a little magnetic. It goes on this page, a little magnetic thing, whatever you call it, and you can just slip stuff under it. I guess I need to put a little magnet on these, but anyway, let me put this back up here. So that goes back there. And then I did a little card where somebody can journal on it, or things to be done. Oh, well, things to buy, I'm sorry. I put the little sticker up there. Enjoy. And then I got a little checklist pad. I don't know where I found that at. I got a little belly thing you can slip a card in. I made this card. This came from a time. I got a pair of Nikes, or no, my workout gear, Nikes. So this is real sturdy. I was going to cover the back, but I don't know. But it doesn't matter. I mean, the little tag. And so then you got another little area. I made a little pocket. And this says, this little bee paper. I'm sorry, guys. It says, if you can be anything, be kind. It's so cute. I love that. If you can be anything, be kind. You are lovely. I got all kinds of little stickers, but you got room that you can do whatever you want with it. Here's another one. This is a pocket too. This is a pocket. Let me just use this. So this is another pocket. Hold on. I hadn't put nothing in it, but yeah. See, this is a pocket. Put stuff in it. It says, home is not a place, it's a feeling. So yeah. So this is cute, and I can mat it in white. And what that young lady did when she did her 12 by 12 cardstock, she had used some distress ink to make it look, you know, antique-y, you know. So, and then on the front, I got I just did a cutout, and I added this gold foil there and the little gold hearts. It's a grateful heart. And I got it on the back. Then I did a little band on my spine area. I created that little band on it. 3 by 3, guys. So that's another one. And with this one, because it's going to get probably chunky, I did a little belly band on this. Just slip the belly band there. And then here's another 4 by 4 that I've been working on, getting rid of my Christmas scraps. Super duper cute. Look at those. So I've been working, but I do still want to do the, pull that out. I still want to do the tutorial on the 12 by 12. Not a full tutorial. I'm just going to do the beginning parts, and then give you the measurements of the signature pages. So that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, guys, I've been having fun. I've been studying these tutorials and just putting things together. This is, what is that tape called? This is that tape, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. What is that tape called? I forgot what it's called. But anyway, here's another one that I matted. It's like fall stuff. I matted the picture so it can be more pronounced, more visual. And in here, look, it's all kinds of goodness in here, look. This is a pocket here. And you got cards. You can put all your little openings on the side. You can put your little cards, journaling cards. I did this. This is like a flip out here. Look. Look at that. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4 pages to flip out. I may put a magnet on that. Here's another little area. Notes. Flip out. There's the bees again, guys. Look at that. So these are the 4 by 4. Another pull out. You can journal on that if you wanna. Here's another flip, and then some writing area. And I did this with scraps, and I matted this little scenery on a little card, and it just looks like a wall picture. I thought that was so cute. Here's some more. Now, some of these ideas came from Rosie Keller, and then Crafting with Deanna and Caroline Country Crafts. I looked at those videos, and like I said, it was a young man, too, from England. He had videos. He did the video on this one, the 3 by 3. you can use your envelope punch board. So here's another one there. I think I'm gonna put some Velcro dots on those. This is a pocket. Here's another pull out. You can journal with that. There's some more fall pictures or whatever you have. Fall, Christmas, but I kind of kept this fall. This is just a little slot here. You can just add something underneath. That's a card, journaling card. So I just kind of kept this fall and sunflowers and bees. And I did put this little foil. I had this little foil and I just did that. Isn't that cute? It's just all cute, guys. And this spine is this is a 3-inch spine. And these are 4x4. So it's chunky, guys. Look at that. And I should have, and I'm going to do it on my next one, I'm going to do a ribbon closure. It's a tie ribbon closure. This one right here is just a 2-inch spine. I think it is, yeah. So this is 2, it looks like 2 1/4. But it's a 4x4. You see, y'all see the difference? It just depends on whatever you want. So look, that's the 3-inch spine, 3x4. This is 2x4. And the 2x4 have 3 signatures, so I only did 3. I only did 3 signatures, whereas I did 1, 2, 3, 4 signatures on this one. Aren't they darling? I think I'm gonna add some more to this one. I'm not done, but I've been working on some things, but I just wanted to share that cleaning our scoreboards, because I cut with this chipboard. And sometimes I glue and I score with it on top. And so keeping our equipment clean is just a must because we want to use it for a long time. So guys, I just wanted to share that tip and show you my little 4x4s and 3x3 mini portfolios and mini albums. Okay? So y'all have an awesome day. And thank you. Bye-bye.